Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can back up your website in GoDaddy. In order to proceed with the steps I'm going to show you, make sure that you already have created a website for your business. In this case, we have not created yet a business website. First, go to your GoDaddy and log into your account. Then click on your profile on the top. On the options, go to My Products, and here, and click on Manage. On Tools, find Backups and go to Manage. Here you will see this daily backups. Go to View Backup. You will see backups here. For us to back up our website, go back to homepage of GoDaddy and go to Web Hosting and go to Manage and click on cPanel Admin. Scroll down a bit and you will find WordPress under Featured Applications. Go to My Applications and put a check mark on the checkbox of the domain you want to back up. Now click Backup, choose Backup Location, and hit the Backup button. And there you have it. You have successfully backed up your website and GoDaddy. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.